Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Kahila or Kay, and today I'll be making bucket hats. So, bucket hats, I'm trying to see how many I can make in a day because I just feel like crocheting and I want to make some bucket hats so I can wear different bucket hats than the ones I've been wearing in my videos. So my sister actually made the pattern for the bucket hat. Does she have a video for it? If she has a video for it, I'll link it up there for you guys. But she made this bucket hat and she made like 3 others, I believe. I'm always wearing them in my videos. So if you haven't seen it, you'll see them in all of my videos so far. Yes, and then I decided to make my own bucket hat out of like stray yarn and I used the Bernat chunky yarn, I think. Yeah, I think I may have used that yarn. So it turned out like humongous, which is fine with me. I still wear it, but I want to make more. So today we shall see how many I can actually make. I have all of this loose yarn right here. I was just like, I just want to get rid of the yarn. So I'm going to use this bucket hat, or bucket hats that I'll be making will be all random and stuff. And then when I'm done with this yarn, if the bucket hats use all that yarn, then I'll just get more yarn for the other bucket hats. So ooh, I'm trying to my goal is to at least try to make 3 of them. But if I can make more than one, that'll be great. And it's currently 10:57 a.m. and I have all day to just crochet because I got everything else that I needed to get done earlier since I wake up at like 5:30, 6 a.m. in the morning. So I have all day to crochet literally. And I'm going to try not to get distracted, but I will be watching movies and YouTube videos while I crochet. So let's get started. Alright, to start off the first one, I'll be using these 2 yarns together just to make it thicker. Woo! So let's see if we can actually do that. And I have my stitch marker that I'll need. I have this row counter right here because I'm currently filming for my tapestry that I'm making. That video will come out like, I don't know, but it's going to take me a while to do this tapestry because I love tapestry crocheting and you guys will see that video at some point. But I'm using the other row counter to keep track of the rows that I'm on because I have to do like 200 rows for this tapestry and I'm on row 14. And I don't want to lose my spot even though I do have it on my laptop as well in the grid that I'm using. But I'm using my other row counter today for that. And then I decided to use a different hook from this one. I'm using 6mm still because this one is a 6, but I'm using it in this wooden looking one. I don't know if you guys can properly see that. Makeup artists do this, so I guess this works. So yeah, it's like a wooden one. It's so cute. It's my sister's hook. I take all of her hooks. She has so many different hooks. So I'll be putting this hook up for today and just trying out this one just to try different hooks because I love trying different hooks. And this one is so thin compared to this one. Like since this has this bulkiness at the end, we shall see if it works for me. If not, I will just default back to my Harry Potter inspired wand hook. Anyway, we're starting with these colors. If these colors aren't enough, I'll just keep adding the other colors over here. Not this red one right here. Right here. I can't point. Right here because that's my tapestry that I'm working on. No spoilers. I'm so excited. If this tapestry turns out great, you guys, oh my gosh, I'll need you guys to let me know what else you want me to make. I have so many ideas of what I want to make tapestry wise, but it'll be great to hear your opinions. But we're not there yet. That video will come out anyway. So let me get started with crocheting these together. Okay, one more thing. I know I keep interrupting, but I had my sister. That's the great thing about having a sister that creates patterns. I can just get them for free. But she sent me her pattern for the bucket hat. So I have it in my phone, in my notes, which I will be referencing throughout this entire video. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that. And like I said before, if you guys want to know how to make this bucket hat or check it out, it'll be in the cards and I will also link it down below for you guys so you can check it out and check out her channel because she has lots of tutorials and she just came out with an Ang jumper. I think that's what it's called. I'll also link that video. I can't do it. This hook, like my yarn is like getting stuck on a hook. I don't know if you can see that, and it's just annoying me because it's not pulling through like I wanted it to. I think this is just better for decoration. Like it's already splitting, like the wood is splitting. Yeah, I'm going back to my hook. This is, this makes me not want to change, stick with what I know, what I got, what works. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna switch this out and then I will continue. Alright guys, this is what it's looking like so far. I don't know why it's like bunching together like this. Maybe because I'm using two colors at the same time, but these colors are so pretty. I really hope I have enough. It's looking like I might, because I still have this much of both, but I am on round 13 out of 34, so we shall see. It's just a bunch of like single crocheting and back loops, front loops, and stuff. So it's pretty simple, but it is 12:23 right now, which is like, when did I start this? 10 something? So basically like almost 2 hours since I've started. And I mean, this is good progress, but it also like takes a little bit to get into. And I'm also watching YouTube videos at the same time while I'm crocheting. So yeah, we are, I don't even know. I'm not even gonna say almost done. We are getting there. We're getting to the halfway point. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on what it looks like, and then I will either do a little time lapse or I'll be back with an almost finished product. Alright guys, I'm back, and it is now 5:08. So when I started this one bucket hat, it was like 10 something in the morning. Granted, I did take a bunch of breaks and stuff in between, but this bucket hat took longer than I thought. But here it is. It is finished. So let's try it on. Okay. Hold on, let me. Here we go. I would usually wear it like this. Oh, I love these colors so much. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Ah! Okay, well, I'm glad I had enough. I ran out of the purple, so I just made like the last row. Yes, Thunder. It's my cat. Here you go. Alright, so I just made like the last row. Well, almost last row. I think this is like half of the last row. Well, I just made that the green color since I ran out of purple. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And now I will start on another one since it's still, I still have time in a day. I'm watching a bunch of Marvel movies with my siblings. So I really love this hat. I really love this. Oh my god. Why is this bigger than I don't know, but I just love the color. Anyway, okay, so yes, I will start. Let me show you guys that it's actually it's 5:10. 5:10. This took me like 7 hours, and just for this thing, just for this little cute bucket hat, like, golly. But all right. I will start on the next one and we shall see how long that takes me. I will try to finish it in good time. I just finished watching, what was it, Avengers? The first Avengers movie with my siblings. We're about to watch Thor. We're watching it in timeline order. Did I say that already? I'm not sure. But anyway, so I have this so far. It's like the base of the hat, basically. It's going to be this part right here. And as you can see, it's still like all foldy and stuff. Until you put it on your head, I mean, still pretty good. I just love these colors so much. Anyway, so yeah, I'm doing this part right now and it is currently 7:10, so I'm gonna be at this for a little while, but we do have an hour and 54-minute movie to watch, which we're probably gonna watch in just a little bit, so that's gonna keep me occupied, and plus I have a bunch of YouTube videos I need to watch anyway when this movie is over, unless we start another movie after this movie, which will be probably insane, but you know, I wouldn't mind. Let me know if you guys have ever made like a bucket hat or anything. I'm sure there's probably another pattern or something, so let me know and link it below if you do know of another one, so I can see if it's like a different type of pattern. I can probably try it out. And yeah, so let me get back into this bucket hat. Definitely only making two. Definitely only making two. I thought I would go faster than this. I didn't know it was so time consuming. Okay, I know my first hat was like doing that little folding thing, but this one is like extra doing the folding thing, like even with this, and it wasn't doing it for my last one, I don't think. I don't think it was doing that, and I'm just like, why? Like, I mean, I feel like it's gonna turn out fine, but I'm still like questioning it as I go. Anyway, I'm on row 15 right now. I'm doing a bunch of single crochets. So yeah, it's just going to be a bunch of single crochets until I start doing front loop onlys, I think. So yeah, just wanted to interrupt and say that real quick. Alright, the glasses are on, eyeliner off, and I have changed colors. I ran out of the green, so we are down to the blue. I'm about to run out of this. It looks white. I swear it's cream. Like, it even looks white on the hat, but it's cream in person, or maybe it's off-white. Maybe it's off-white. Okay, well, I'm about to run out of the white, so I'm not sure what color I'll be doing next, but I mean, it's just gonna be a random bucket hat, so everything doesn't have to be cute like my purple and green one. I just got lucky to have enough yarn. Ooh, hello. Anyway, I just got lucky to have enough yarn, so whenever this white disappears, I'll show you guys what color I use next. It'll be some stray yarn. I'm trying to get rid of the yarn, so yeah, that's all. Oh, well, also, I'm on row 22 right now. Got my little row counter, and there are, I forgot how many rows. I literally did this already, and I don't remember anything, so 34 rows. So I have 12 rows to go. Let's get it. Alright guys, I'm tired. I literally just want to sleep right now, but it is currently 11:42. Let me show y'all. 11:42 p.m. and I'm finally done with the second, yes, only 2 bucket hat. This is what it looks like. So I started off with green, ran out of that. I had a lot of blue, way more than I thought I did. And then I ran out of that, so I just got some yellow yarn. So let's put this bad boy on. Yeah. This is, hello. This is what it looks like. I put the yellow like last so that like if I flip it up like this and I don't want it like too flipped up, you can just see the yellow and it's like, or you can just flip it up, see some of the blue. I don't know why these are turning out so big. Like literally my sister makes these and they turn out like perfect for my head. Either my head shrunk or my stitches are just so loose. They're just, are you laughing at me? My sister's laughing at me. But yeah, or my stitches are so loose. But you know, I've been wanting new bucket hats, so I decided to make them and film myself because why not? So here are my bucket hats. I'll take pictures in them tomorrow probably for my thumbnail. So yeah, that was it guys. How many can I make in a day? 2 apparently. With lots of distractions. I was so distracted today. It was insane, but I was working while I was distracted, so I don't know. That's all I have for you guys. As usual, let me know what you want me to make next. And let me know if you want me to follow a certain pattern. I'll make sure to look at it if you link it below and see, you know, test out. I just like to test out my skills and see what I can, if I can read other people's patterns and if I can actually create what the pattern says to create. So yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.